Welcome to your English 1AS class. It's good to see you all. My name is Robert, and I am your instructor for this class. Now, I want to give you a little orientation today as you're settling into Canvas and looking over the materials and getting a sense of what this class is about because it's a little unique. This course is specifically designed for the needs of ESOL students. In other words, students for whom English is not their first language, but their second, third, or fourth language. And this offers us some unique opportunities. Now, everyone is welcome in this class, and you will have the same outcomes from the course, whether you speak English as a native, English is your first language, or if English is your fifth language, as it may be for some of you. Either way, the course content is going to work, although the approach is going to be a little different. And here's the difference. We are going to be working together much more hands-on with developing your reading and writing with direct feedback and with assignments which are a little bit less rigorous or confined within learning objectives. So the real idea of this course is you get writing and you get reading. And what I'm going to be doing, and the tutor that supports me is also going to be doing, is we are going to be offering you all kinds of opportunities to get in there and develop your voice. Uh, that's my phone, which has a Raven ringtone on it, believe it or not. So we'll just let the phone go off. I'll keep talking. Okay, so um, this is also a class which involves a lot of interaction with your teacher and with your tutor. So we will be not only meeting in Zoom sessions once a week, but we will also have sessions where we meet outside of our regular Zoom classroom to offer you direct feedback on your work. I am a professional writer. I've published a number of books, and I strongly believe in getting all the good direct feedback before you submit your final draft, not before. That way you can integrate what you learn into your writing. So, really, that's what this class is all about. It's about producing material, engaging as a writing community and a reading community around it, incorporating feedback, coming back again. We're just going to keep doing that. And the goal here really is that we have fun. I I just don't understand teaching a class which isn't fun. So that's what I'm out to create, and your feedback is going to be very valuable as we move along and further develop it. Our goal by the end of the course is that you are going to write a fully developed academic essay. That's where we're heading. So stay tuned, and I look forward to working with you. Welcome to your class.